Hello and welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to overlay a picture on a video in Android using Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a free video editing application for Android. You can install it from Google Play Store. So let's create a new project. First of all, you will have to select your video. Now tap on add option to add this video and choose next. Now this is a vertical video, so first of all we need to fix this video. Tap on ratio or crop option, choose 16 by 9 and cut sides. Now we have fixed our video. You can also see edit tools. If you tap on edit tools, you can see a lot of options. We have trim, clip, subtitle and many other options. So tap on PIP option, picture in picture option. Tap on this plus icon, and now you need to select your photo. So let's select an image or a photo. Now you can easily resize this image or you can move it anywhere on screen. Tap OK, and now you have successfully added your photo. If you want to add another image, tap on plus again, and now select your photo. So now if I play, you can see first we have an image as an overlay and we also have another image in our video. So you can use both methods. You can overlay an image or you can add an image to your video. Thank you very much for watching this video.